guys, this time we got it another one ball, and this time to real one Pokemon. I am sure you're not sure. Let's see to the new Pokemon. Okay. Wow, we got it to real Charmander. Looks this. It is a real one Charmander. Let's see, it is a really beautiful. Let's see his tail of the fire. Charmander, it is to the fire type Pokemon. Let's see. It's really very beautiful. Okay. Let's see these eyes. It is really beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to more videos and bell icon click to the more. See you next time. Bye bye.